The machinery is just awesome, very high tech for a high school student to have the opportunity to learn about machines like this that I'm sure most have never heard about.
Like there's a cart going around that you can get water off of and it stops right for you. I'd go back to work here. I'm serious. And I've been retired for a minute.
Today with technology, the same stuff that's going on in the inner city is also going on in the suburbs. So if they have facilities like this that show our young people, especially children in school, what manufacturing actually is, and it's not a sweatshop, and it's not dirty, and they can actually go and get a job and actually grow a career while simultaneously taking college classes and get that experience without the heavy student loan. In any community it works.
So you take these handles and you lower it where you want the ball to be, and you press the red button so the ball can be sucked up by the machine. Then you have to move the handles to the up, right here, lower it down, and press the green button, and it'll fall down.
They didn't just put up a building with more brick walls. They're looking at how they relate to the community. And I think that's the future of Greater Cleveland.
Because all the stuff that's happening here is the future. The kids that are growing up now, this is their world. They're familiar with the things. They can grow right into it. It's fabulous for them.
I want to say thank you to Magnet. I do. And all of the partners and all of the manufacturers that is taking a chance on those in our community, because we really need it. America has to be rebuilt from the inside so that we can compete in the world.